What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is not my usual wading scene. I've got a change of scenery here. We're out floating on the Hobie, and we are currently at a section where two rivers meet. I don't know if you guys can see this on the second camera I got back here. This is one of my first few times fishing out of the kayak and filming videos, so you guys let me know which camera angle you guys like better. Maybe both of them, and we'll see. But the river we are in currently, super muddy. And I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, right over here, you can see where the waters are meeting. It's a little bit more clear. It's not as muddy as this. Still got a little stain to it. We're gonna keep paddling upriver here and see if we can't hook up on a few smallmouth. The cards are stacked against us today. We're fighting some pretty good wind. Right now it's kind of calm. The water's up, so the current's gonna be a lot harder to manage in a kayak, trying to pedal upriver. And when I was getting my stuff ready at the house, I decided to not bring my Hobie H crate because I was like, I'm just not gonna bring it today. I'm gonna take a cooler, take some food, because I got all day to figure these fish out. Well, when I left my H crate at the house, I left every bit of tackle except for some soft plastics and what I keep in my winter box. So it's gonna be a fun day. Hopefully we got enough lures here and we can figure them out and get on some fish. There's one. Yes, sir. Don't do that. Don't do that. No. In the net, baby. That is a chunky smallmouth. Choke that chatterbait. All right, guys, got our first fish of the day chilling in the net. See if I can get him out. Get a weight on this guy. It's a healthy smallmouth. Getting in on that little pre-spawn bite. The water temps here just hit 50 degrees today. This fish is cold. If you guys can see that or not, first fish of the day is a 2-pounder. Just over 16 inches and just over 2 pounds. Let's get this guy released. Hopefully this is the first of many today. All right, it took us about 45 minutes to get our first fish. That one was up shallow on a slight flat. I'm gonna say, I'm not sure if there's any rock over there or not, but there's a good current break with that old, I'm assuming that's an old bridge. Got him on the old Chatterbait Mini Max. I bought these specifically for this week because I knew the water was gonna be stained. And I'm just glad it worked out. I had my other camera off back there because I was trying to save battery. It's been kind of dead for a little bit. And I was trying to cut it on while I was fighting that fish, but I just couldn't get it to work. There we go. It's another decent smallie. There we go, in the net. Oh yeah, that's another good fish. They are destroying that chatterbait. Another gorgeous smallmouth, roughly the same size as the first one. This one's a ½ inch longer and a little bit heavy. It went 211, but another healthy fish nonetheless. There's a gorgeous fish. And there he goes. All right, that was fish number 2 on the chatterbait. He come from right in this little pocket right above this current break here. Absolutely thumped it too. what that means for us. All right, now that that's over, I don't know, I didn't hear it up in front of me. I think I just heard it behind me, so the river behind me must be raising in water level. I don't know why it would be doing that right now. It hasn't rained in 3 or 4 days. Good cast. There's one. Don't jump. In the net, let's go. He's not quite as big as the last two, but he's a fish nonetheless. We won't take a weight on this guy. He's probably barely 1.25 pounds. We'll get a good length on him though. 15 inches. We'll go ahead and get a weight on him just for giggles. Let's say 1.25 pounds. It's close. 1.3. All right, let's set this guy back. Thanks for playing. There we go. What this is, I gotta hold it for a minute, just swimming with it. We had a nice little drought right there. I mean, it has been hours since we landed a fish. Probably a little 14.5 inch smallmouth. I know you're ready to go back. And that is going to wrap up my first river kayak session of 2023. And man, I am already looking forward to many more of these and bringing you guys right along with. But with that being said, I'm going to close this thing out and we'll catch you guys on the next video.